Every day, thousands of bank customers sit on hold by waiting, frustrated, and getting passed between various agents who reads from script. What if your bank never made anyone wait again? What if every call, collections, fraud alerts, onboarding, and customer services was handled instantly, intelligently, and in a full compliance with country's federal law? That's BankVoiceAI, and it is live right now. This project is specially made for US banks. Yeah, the question might arise, obviously, why not for Indian banks? In India, TRAI doesn't allows you to get a phone number for these kind of projects and experiments. So I had to prefer for US banks. So that is the main reason why I switched to US. Banks usually face a brutal reality. They handle millions of calls per year, but the infrastructure hasn't changed from decades. Human agents are expensive, they get tired, the miss compliance disclosures, they can't scale to peak volume. And the regulations, they are unforgiving. CFPB, TCPA, FDCPA, GLBA. One wrong step on a collections call, you are looking at a 7-figure fine. The big banks, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, they have been quietly deploying AI for years. But what about community banks, credit unions, regional institutions? They couldn't afford enterprise AI until now. Okay, let me walk through how BankVoiceAI is actually working under the hood. At the core is a multi-agent system built on Fetch.ai's uAgents framework. Each agent is an independent AI entity that runs autonomously. The brain of every agent is ASI1, the large language model from the ASI Alliance ecosystem. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, ASI1 is designed specifically for autonomous agents workflows, real-time decisions, tool calls, multi-step reasoning, voice coming through Twilio, speech to text via Whisper. Then the input hits are guardrail layers before reaching the LLM. The response go through a CFPB output filter, checking for compliance violation before it's ever spoken back to the customer. Every single interaction is logged to an immutable FFIEC audit trail. The voice pipeline look like this: inbound call, TCPA consent check, STT whisper, then it moves to input guardrails, and from there it moves towards ASI1 LLM model. Then the CFPBR filtered come into the picture, then the response, and finally FFIEC audit log. And the database layer, bank connects their own core banking system, CRM or loan database through our DB connection manager. Read-only access, TLS 1.3, AES 256 encrypted credential. The agents read data to answer customers' questions accurately, but they never write, modify, or delete anything. 6 specialized agents, 1 orchestrator that routes every call to the right one. The first agent, customer service agent, it solves bank inquiries, disputes, and answer to account questions. The second agent is the fraud detection agent. It does real-time risk scoring on every single call. The third agent is collections agent, FDCPA-compliant payment, plans and negotiations. The fourth one is onboarding agent. Suppose there is a new customer who wants a new account opening and KYC or document collection. Everything is done through this onboarding agent. The fifth agent is sales agent. It does product recommendations, cross-selling, upselling. And the sixth agent is compliance agent that monitors every interaction in real time, and it keeps an eye on every single agent as a watchdog. The last one is orchestrator, the router that decides which agent handles which call. These aren't chatbots, they reason, they use your bank's actual data, and they escalate to the human the moment something is beyond their scope. Okay, so the talk regarding the architecture is done. Now, let me show you the actual product. This is the Bank Voice AI Enterprise portal live right now. So, this is the landing page. There are three plans: professional at $1,500, enterprise at $3,000, and institutional at $6,000 a month. Built specifically for American financial institutions. Here, I'm gonna register my bank first. You go to get started button and you have to click over there, and you have to enter your institution name. I'll add my bank's random name as First National Bank of Texas. Okay, so the next one is the tenant ID. I have to give a unique ID that will be specifically for my bank, and this is FNB. Okay, so I have added my institution name and the tenant ID, and now I'm gonna select the plan. So I'm gonna go with the mediocre one, that is that cost me $3,000, and that's it. I'll continue to the payment gateway. Okay, so this is the Bank Voice AI payment gateway. This payment gateway is completely Web3 based, and here the transaction, whatever you guys are doing, will be in crypto. So I'm gonna pay for now for testing. I don't have much faucet. So for testing, let's put 5 FAT, and then we will get access to the all the agents and the portal. Okay, I'm gonna pay through ASI1 wallet. Here you go. In this way, I'm gonna put my password. You can pay through anything. There are a lot of options. You can pay through ASI1 wallet or your Kepler. And for now, I'm going to try with the ASI1. And this whole project is natively built on ASI1 or the Fetch ecosystem, from building an agent to the payment protocol. Everything comes under the same umbrella. So I will go to my wallet. I'll click send amount, and from here I'll copy the wallet address and I'll put 5 test FAT, and then I'll click next. The wallet address what I had copied, I'm gonna paste over here, and then this is the important one. The transaction memo is mandatory so that your plan gets verified and done. I'll review my transaction and I'll approve the transaction. Ready to go. Done. And I have to copy the transaction hash, and I have to click I have sent payment over here, and I'll paste my transaction hash over here to verify immediately. And that's boom, you got access to all our 6 agents and 1 orchestrator for your bank voice platform for your bank. Okay, that's cool. Suppose if you are an existing client, you have to go to the login and you have to add your tenant ID You just have to save it securely and you shouldn't be missing it because it gets difficult if you miss it. And then you just have to click access the portal and done. It is authenticating. You have to use the authenticator app, and you just have to add the OTP or the code, whatever you get over there, and you have to verify and enter to the portal. That's it. Boom. You are on the portal. Let me walk through the portal. This is the command center, live call volume, remaining capacity, days until renewal, active agents, all real-time data pulled directly from the back. The next is agent control panel. Every agent your plan includes is shown over here. You can see which one are active and which requires an upgrade. Toggle controlled, fully auditable. Okay, the next one is database connection manager, or you can say DB connection manager. This is the most important feature. Your bank connects its own core banking system here. We test the connection in real time, map with database tables. The agent can read and classify sensitive fields under GLBA NPI rules. Every config change is versioned. You can roll back to any previous database configuration. Everything is under your control. Next is the CFPB pipeline, the compliance mode. CFPB, FDCPA, TCPA all enforced at the infrastructure level. You can see the exact 5-stage pipeline every voice call passes through. The FFIEC or the FFIEC audit log, every event, payment, authentication, agent action, database reads logged immutably, exportable for your compliance team or external auditor. The next is TCPA consent registry. Every phone number, consent type, the opt and the OPT out record tracked here code required by law for outbound calls. This is building. Actually, the thing is, suppose if a person is in US, you can dial the number and you can call to the AI agent or the to the bank, and the AI agent gets the control. If I was in US, I would have called the AI agent right now, but I am currently in India, so there is one hack. What we can do is right now I'll pick a call and I'll get a call through the agent, and then we can speak with it live. Now I'm gonna initiate the call, and within 2 seconds I'll get a call on my registered mobile number. I have tweaked the call, and within seconds I'll get it on my phone. You can see this is my video number, and I have received the call through my agent, and let's test the response.
You remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code. This call may be recorded for quality and compliance purposes. You are speaking with an AI assistant from First Community Bank. You may request a human agent at any time by saying agent or pressing 0. How can I help you today?
Hey, I just wanted to know what is my bank balance.
I'd be happy to help you with your balance. For security purposes, could you please provide the last 4 digits of your account number?
It is 3242.
Thank you. I verified your account. Your current balance is $2,847.53. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Okay, can you tell me about my current running loans?
You have one active loan, an auto loan with a balance of $12,450 and a monthly payment of $385 due on the 15th. Would you like details on your payment history?
Can you tell me my recent transaction?
Here are your recent transactions. Yesterday, $45 at Walmart. 2 days ago, $125 at Shell Gas. 3 days ago, $89.99 at Amazon. 5 days ago, $250 direct deposit for payroll. Would you like more details on any of these transactions?
Okay, I want to open a new saving account. So could you onboard?
I'd be happy to help you open a new savings account. Our savings accounts earn 0.50% APY with no minimum balance required. To get started, I'll need to transfer you to our account opening specialist who can complete the application with you. Would you like me to connect you now?
Before that, tell me one thing. I wanted to know for how much amount of loan I'm eligible for.
I can help you with loan eligibility. To determine how much you may qualify for, I'll need to transfer you to our loan specialist who can review your credit profile and income details. Would you like me to connect you with them now, or would you prefer to continue with opening the savings account first?
Okay, just tell me one thing. At what percent of interest will I get $1 million loan, and how much do I have to pay at the end?
For a $1 million loan, our current rates start at 7.25% APR for qualified borrowers. The exact rate depends on your credit score, income, and loan terms. Your total rate payment would vary based on the term you choose. For example, a 30-year term would mean significantly more interest paid than a 15-year term. Would you like me to connect you with a loan specialist to get a personalized quote?
Yeah, connect me to the loan specialist.
I'll transfer you to a human representative right away. Please hold.
That's it. And our test is 100% successful. Okay, the call has been successfully ended now. Okay, now we are moving towards the WhatsApp agent. For now, for the testing purpose, I did add video WhatsApp sandbox number. So let's test. Okay, now I have activated the video number. Then I'm going to send this message, that is, hi, I want to know my outstanding loan balance, and have a look. Yes, now you can see here is your account balance, and yep, this is a demo data what I provided, and you can have a look what is the deposit I have made and at what percent of the interest I'm getting it, and the timelines you can have a look. Yeah, it is working. It is going to be a multilingual model, so whatever we have, we can send it in different languages as per the customer's convenience. Yep, it's good. BankVoiceAI is live, the portal is running, the agents are deployed. If you run a bank, a credit union, or a financial institution, you are still paying for a call center. I want to talk to you. Professional plan starts at $1,500 a month, enterprise at $3,000, institutional at $6,000. Or USD, full compliance included, no setup fees. The link is in the description. You can register, pay on chain with FAT through the Fetch.ai payment gateway, and have your AI agent live within minutes. This is what I paid. If you found this valuable, follow for updates and hit that like button, and I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. See you soon. Bye bye.